Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make a fan map that looks just like this. I'm not going to be doing textures or Sketchfab models, but I will be placing these models on Sketchfab, but they will be paid for. Sorry. If they're good, they're gonna have to be paid for. So basically, what you want to start with, you want to go to Window, you want to go to Package Manager. It doesn't show up for me, or for y'all. Actually, I could fix it. Give me a sec. Yeah, top left. It should say Packages and Unity Registry. Could fix it. Give me a sec. Yeah, top left. It should say Packages and Unity Registry. If it doesn't, just press that and press Unity Registry. Then at the top right, you want to, at the space bar, or not space bar, the search bar, you want to press that and type in Pro Builder. Then basically, once you installed it, you should have this popped up in your tools. You should go, wait, dang. Actually guys, I'm gonna fix that cut when I'm done. Alright guys, so I just fixed that thing so y'all could see it. So basically, once you're done, you want to go to Tools, Pro Builder. Like at the top where it says Window and Services, in the middle it says Tools. You're gonna press Pro Builder and Pro Builder Window to get this. Why can't y'all see my mouse? Wait, what? Oh. So basically, you want to go to, when you're done, you want to go to, where is it? When you go up and press New Shape, make sure it's a plane, and you want to scale it out like this. Then once you're done, you want to press it and click Subdivide Object, if you like 3 times, and then you basically want to click this and go around the corners and spacing it out. Also guys, about my fan game, I'll throw up a little sneak peek picture for y'all real quick about. I'll just throw a picture of the small picture of the map so y'all can see a sneak peek. Editor, throw it up. That's basically what we're gonna have for the map. But anyways, you want so once you're done with that, editing out the spaces and stuff, you want to click the middle and select however many you want. Put it down, put it up, however many you want to look the map. Make the map look like, you know, make sure it's not like straight out, so it looks like an actual good fan game. So this is what we got right now. So basically, you want to press that, and you want to hold shift, and you want to click every every edge, and make sure you have every edge selected at the end. So basically, once you're done, I just finished, so you want to go down here and press Extrude Edges. You should see a little bit of the yellow move. You just want to lift it up, and then there is your walls. You can make it however long you want. Then you want to press Extrude Edges again, but this time you want to space it out. You want to lift it out. Don't worry if it looks like this. All you got to do is put it to the right a bit, and it'll get fixed. And all you want to do is make that as much as you want. I'll put it like that since it's just a tutorial. Then you want to press Extrude Edges again. You want to lift it up for your second level wall. Lift it up as much as you want. Press Extrude Edges again. Then you want to make it smaller in the middle, as we see here. Then when you put it in the middle, you want to lift it up and make it a tiny bit more little, so it'll be even. Let's see. And you're done. You have your fan map. I don't know if it'll look, it's not gonna look as specific as this, but basically the same thing as that. It's just bigger. If you want me to make fan maps for y'all's games, just DM me on Discord. My Discord is right this. My DMs are open 24/7, or not 20. Well, basically from like 6 to 3, because I'm starting school literally today. As I'm recording this, it's 5:45 in the morning, and I got school. So basically, yeah. I will not be adding textures. But if you want me to teach you how to add textures, if you want me to teach you how to add or make player models, photon, any scripts or anything, if y'all want tutorials for stuff, kick hammer, bend hammer, any of that, if you want me to beta test your map and see if it's good, just hit me up on Discord. Again, this is my Discord, open from 6 to 3 o'clock. So yeah, if you want any more tutorials on how to make a Gtag fan map or base maps or whatever, if you want any more tutorials on this stuff, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me what tutorials I want in the comments. Peace!